I give a little tour of the Blackbird Ranch here. It's the entrance, front gate, and dogs wandering over there. And back over this way with a great view of the Pagosa Valley, Archuleta County. Solar going on down there. You can see it barely on top of the cabin. I swoop around this way, just give you a little view here of the best parts of this property. Now, we go 387 feet in this direction through the scrub oak. Come on, you two. Through the scrub oak. And there's a shot of a ravine. That gives you an idea. Hey, you two, get up here. And then a shot back this way uphill towards where the house will be. It's just a really beautiful area, 1.5 acres. This little jewel. Just a beautiful little jewel. Come on, you two. Where are you? Dogs seem to love it. Definitely seem to love it. But anyway, that's the view. Pure Pagosa. Take care, everybody.